Hello everyone. Today we have this numerical of physics. 50 waves pass through a rope in 10 seconds. Wavelength is 8 centimeter. Find frequency, period, wave speed, and type of wave. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, we will write over here the given data. So here number of waves 50 because 50 waves pass through a rope in 10 seconds. So time is given 10 seconds and wavelength is equal to 8 centimeters. So wavelength equal to 8 centimeter, or if we convert centimeter into meter, so we will divide by 100, so which is equal to 0.08 meter. And what is the required in the given question? So we have to find out the frequency, that is frequency, time period t, velocity, and type of wave. So let's start the solution of this question. So according to frequency formula, frequency is defined by definition of frequency. Frequency is defined as the number of vibration uh, per second. So number of vibration, number of waves over here, vibration is basically waves. So number of waves are 50 and given time is 10 seconds. So we will divide this number of waves by 10, that is by time. So it is equal to 5 hertz. So it means that the frequency of this waves is 10 is equal to 5 hertz. And now we will calculate time period. So time period is equal to 1 divided by f, that is reciprocal of the frequency. So we will put these values. So 1 divided by 5, as we have determined this frequency equal to 5 hertz. So 1 divided by 5 equal to 0.2 seconds. So it means that the time period is 0.2 seconds. And now we will calculate velocity. So for velocity, we know the formula v equal to f lambda, where f is frequency and lambda is wavelength. So as we know, frequency is equal to 5 hertz and lambda equal to 0.08 meter as given in the question. So when we multiply this 5 with the 0.08, so it is equal to 0.4 meter per second. So the velocity is 0.4 meter per second. And now in the last type of wave, so 50 waves pass through a rope in 10 seconds. So as we know that in rope, the type of waves are transfer waves, because in rope the particle of the body vibrates perpendicular to the direction of propagation. So therefore this will be count in the transfer waves, because by definition transfer waves are those in which the particle are vibrating perpendicular to the direction of the wave motion. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.